chocolate covered strawberry cookies to go with those chocolate covered strawberries, anyone? Aren't these adorable? I'm going to show you how to make them. Let's get started. Okay, we're starting out with a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and a 1/2 stick of butter. I'm adding in that 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to go ahead and mix this all up, and then you're going to see me add in 2 tablespoons of water and a teaspoon of vanilla. Right, next we're going to mix together 2 cups of flour, 1 ounce of freeze-dried strawberries, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix that all together. So I took that dough and I formed it into a bar that's about 8 inches long by 2 inches wide by 1 inch to 1 1/4 inches thick, because we're going to refrigerate the dough and then cut it into bars, or like shortbread cookies. But I also broke out my cookie press, and before refrigerating them, went ahead and made some little hearts, because I had a little heart shape that I did. You're going to refrigerate these for a little bit first and then put it in the oven at 325 degrees and let them cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. And here's what they look like when they're all done. They're so cute. Now get some chocolate, about 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips with a teaspoon of coconut oil, and get that melted so you can dip these guys in there. And then I went ahead and I drizzled it over the bars, and dipped them in there like a strawberry with chocolate on it. You know how you do that. And they just turned out adorable, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And until I see you on the next one, everybody, keep your joy.